If you're anything like me, when it gets fall, I'm always looking for slow cooker recipes. So I got this Pozole Bomb. All it is a seasoning ball that you put in your slow cooker with your meat and a can of hominy. It makes the most delicious, hearty soup. It's got chilies, spices, herbs, all the good stuff. Look how yummy this looks. All of that seasoning packed into one seasoning ball. You can cook it on high for 6 hours or slow for 8. So if you're looking to shake up your soup routine for this fall and winter, try the Pozole Bombs. I'm going to link them right here above my name so you can check them out.